Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today is going to be a super chill video. It's going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be talking a little bit about the giveaways going on right now, a little bit about my life, and asking your opinions on what y'all want from my channel. So if y'all are interested in that, just continue watching. So I hope y'all don't mind that I started off with my eyeliner on and my brows on. I do have an eyeliner video. If you are interested on how I do my eyeliners, it'll be carded up here. And we're just gonna put on the e.l.f. Putty Primer. And the first thing that I wanted to talk to y'all about was the two giveaways going on right now, because one of them is a collaboration. Well, both of them are collaborations, because one of them is for the $25 mystery box, and that ends today. So if you guys haven't entered that giveaway, that video will be carded up here. And then the second one is in collaboration with the checkbox, and they are here on YouTube, they are on SoundCloud, and I look crazy, they're on Instagram, and the qualifications for their giveaway will be popping up right here. That ends May 19th. The beauty end, like the makeup end of this giveaway, is going to be a James Charles palette, and I chose that one. And then the second item is going to be a Bulldog Skincare for Men item. Their YouTube channel will also be linked down below, and the episode that I was featured in for the checkbox will be carded up here as well. So now that that's out of the way, I wanted to let y'all know that I'm starting a blog. I have to be accustomed to saying the word blog because I always want to say vlog, but I'm starting a blog, and that will also be linked down below because I just finished making the website, and I'm hoping to post for the first time tomorrow my intro blog, and I'm hoping y'all like it. So that'll be linked down below too. That will be basically what I do on YouTube plus a little bit more. Like the intro one is going to be about like why I love things like beauty. I'll probably incorporate singing. I'll talk about brands, and we'll see where that goes because I'm excited for that and I love writing. So I want to do a little bit more of what I love. Just to let y'all know, this is the Wet n Wild foundation in Desert Beige. So my first vlog is going up tomorrow. Isn't that crazy? My heart. So we're going into our concealer, and I'm using the Infallible in Cashmere. Whoop. And the next thing I wanted to talk to y'all about was the fact that I'm graduating on May 18th. So I'm graduating on May 18th. I'm getting my master's degree, and I wanted to vlog that for y'all. So I want to know if y'all are interested in that because I am coming up with different ways to vlog it. Like, I'm trying to find a way to incorporate my best friend into it because I'm going to be seated. So I want her to record some of it and then me to put all of the clips together for my graduation. And I want to know who wants to see that because it's a video that I really want to do. But you know, it might not get the views, and I don't really care because I am so proud of that achievement and I want to share it with YouTube. And I also want to make this video for like the family members that can't make it, that live too far away or don't have like the time allotted to come. So I figured that that'll be a good way to, you know, showcase my graduation to the rest of my family as well. Like the ones in Ecuador, the ones in DR. I don't know, I feel like social media is something special. And I feel like a video of that will be special to my family that I care about that are overseas, that aren't here in the US. So I think I'm more convincing myself every single day to do it. I think about this vlog almost every single day, which is crazy. Next, we're going in with our Magic Star powder. And I wanted to update y'all about this because this has fallen and I've kept it locked, but it keeps leaking, so there's a little bit of issues with, you know, the packaging in terms of the powder. And then I also wanted to update y'all with the concealer. Do you see this? My star? Second day of owning this concealer fell off. So I don't know what's up with that, but I know there are other cases of other people reporting that their stars like have broken off already. So at least I know that I'm not alone. But the last thing that I wanted to talk to y'all about was actually a little touchy subject for me because, you know, I'm not like the most confident human in terms of a lot of things, but I want to work on my weight and I'm thinking of picking up working out again. I'm hoping that I can eat healthier in life. So I was just, I don't know, I feel awkward and tense asking this question, but would you all be interested in me like vlogging that experience, like about my journey, even if I do even lose weight, but like my journey of weight loss? Is that something y'all will be interested in watching? Because that is something that I really want to start working on in 2019, and that's something that I've been putting off a lot. And you know, it's a touchy subject. Weight's usually a touchy subject, but I wanted to know if y'all are interested in seeing that journey when I do start it, because I'm planning on starting it after I graduate. But I'm starting to take like mini steps in terms of like my diet right now, and then working out more in the future once I'm done with school. So I'm sorry that I got so awkward, but it's something that I genuinely wanted to ask y'all if y'all are interested in seeing that. But that's really all I wanted to talk about. So the rest of this will just be like me showing y'all the products and putting them on my face. I'm almost done. All I need is like contour, highlight, and blush to be done. So if you're interested in staying for the rest of this, just continue watching. If you are done with me, you can head out right now and go enter both of the giveaways. But see ya. Those who are still with me, thank you for sticking with me. So now I'm just going to be using the Cover FX contour kit that came in the BoxyCharm. And y'all didn't really see me use this because all I did for that video was unbox my BoxyCharm. And within that box, I had to switch with my friend Kira because she got the medium dark one and I got the light one, so we decided to switch. So ever since we've done that, I haven't really showed this on my channel, I believe, but I do like it. And it's hella pigmented, y'all. Hella pigmented. You have to have a light hand with this product, which is a great thing for some and a horrible thing for some. If you're heavy-handed, it might not be the best product for you. So this is the blush shade, and this is something I've had to get used to because, again, it's pigmented, so I don't want to go too hard on the blush, but I feel like I got it down packed. And then for my highlight, I like this middle shade the most. This is supposed to be the brightener shade for under your eye, but I use this as a highlight because look how pretty that is. So next up, we're going to be using my new favorite mascara, and this is the Monsieur Big. And y'all, I did return my Natasha Denona palette, and I got a full-size Monsieur Big, and I also got the lip color that I'm going to be using today. This is the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncuffed, and it's beautiful. Now look at this. It's like my lip color, but way better. And now for my Watermelon Glow Mist. And this is like my everyday look, so I know it's a bit much for some people, but this is honestly my everyday go-to kind of look. Like the wing is part of my everyday routine. The highlight is part of my everyday routine. The only thing that isn't a part of my everyday routine is eyeshadow. And then, y'all, I almost forgot. So I got a new ring light, and that is right over there. Woo. And this is the ring light that I usually use. It's small, but it packs a punch. I was wondering if any of y'all are interested in getting this tiny ring light. Like, I can send it off to y'all. Like, whoever comments on getting this ring light first can get first dibs on it. Just, you know, comment that you want it. I'll DM you, and then I'll send it off to you. And it's that simple, because I just got a new one, so I don't need this one anymore. That is an offer that's up in the air. So that is all for today, and sorry for being super informal and super casual, but I feel like this is necessary sometimes, and I honestly enjoyed doing it. I felt a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm so happy that I did do this, and thank you for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.